Hello everyone, today I introduce you a new feature, the print label feature that will allow you to print label based on a linked record. So let me introduce that to you by showing you how it would work. So in your Typeflow account, you're going to create a new flow. And we are going to use the personal account. And for this feature, you need to use the template builder. Indeed, with the Google Doc template, it won't work. So you click here. And you can use this template, classic invoice template. You're going to choose the Airtable data, generate PDF directly in Airtable. I'm going to choose the table invoices demo, the table users, and I'm going to generate the PDF in an attachment field. So PDF file. So print label demo, create flow, and now I'm going to navigate to the template builder. I can remove everything from there. So I'm going to start from scratch. Choose a block, and here we have different blocks. So we have layout, and you have the layout to print label. So you drag and drop it. And now you have that. Of course, you can change the name variable and you can adjust the design the way you want. So for example, what I like to do is to make sure that the border radius is 20. Okay, it's better. And now per line, we are going to have two badge, let's say. And when we want to add another badge, it will go below by creating another line. So for example, like that, and etc. and etc. But the goal is not to copy paste for each linked record, but it's to make sure that it will create the number of badge based on the number of linked record. So how to make it work? So once you've adjusted your template, you can go to Airtable mapping. You refresh the data. Okay, so we don't have any variable, classic variable, and then here you have a new section, print label mapping. So now you can map the data, and if we go there, as you can see, we have the table user, so that's my main table, and we have different linked records, so product choose, linked record field, sorry, and product in my case. So we are going to access the data from the product choose field. So that's it. And now I can map the different data like you would do with line items. So price, color, it just for the purpose of the demo, status, start date, and that's it. And now we can add some option to make sure that a badge will be created or not based on its value. So for example, in my case, if we look at the data here, so we have all those linked record, and if we go there, we can see that test 1, test 3, we and name don't have data. And if that's the case, I don't want to create page for those products. So how to make that happen? I'm going to choose that SKU is required. So if SKU is empty, then the document will make sure that if it's empty, the badge will be removed. So that's it. Now I'm going to import that. And if I create a new field, print label, button, print label, I passed it here, create field, okay, so now if I generate a PDF, it works well, and let's check if the value test1, test3 we rename are there. Let me check. So give me 1 second. So test1, test3 oui. And if we check oui, it's not here. Test1, it's not here. Test3, it's not here. So that works well. Now you can print those badge and you can use it for your event, for sending a package or whatever. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Of course, if you need any help, I'm more than happy to help you, and feel free to share any feedback.